All right, today we're gonna bring two solar lights. If you guys can see, these are actually solar panels in the back, and these are very powerful, very bright. They're gonna last you quite a few hours. All right, now they do have a sensor, all right, for movement in day to night mode also too, and they have both. Each one has its own control. You got it on and off. You got different percentages from 25% all the way to 100% on the dimming. You could turn off the sensor to just keep them on to day to night mode. All right, it's very simple. The sensor, you could turn it off here. You got 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours. This is going to require two batteries, two AAA batteries to power it up. And it's very simple. Just turn it on here in the back. If you guys can see, I'm going to turn it on because right now they're going to turn on pretty bright, but it's daylight. And of course, it's morning here, but if I cover complete the sensor, they're going to turn on bright. What happens when they go into sleep mode, they dim down, but they stay on if you want, or you could turn off completely. Now, they give you the actual plastic stands, if you guys can see, and they just drill in pretty neat, pretty simple through here. And two of them here. They give you the extra screws, and everything's available in the actual box except for the tools to set them up. So let's put them together and see how it works. Here's my two lights that I have that I'm going to set up today, and I'm going to raise the actual bar, this bar, so see how well it works. All right, here they are. Very powerful lights, if you guys can see it. I'm going to take you a little bit higher. So it's kind of raining right now, so we're just going to shoot from here, and we're going to show you how dark it gets back here so you guys can see the actual quality of it. So I do have one remote, and I'm going to actually remote both of them in one. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to let them run for a bit, and we're going to see if they turn off, and then we'll walk it with it. So let's come back. All right, one light just dimmed down, and we're going to get some motion right now. The one on the right is dim, so as soon as my dog walks in there or myself, you're going to see a mark up. So let's light it up so you guys can see how bright it gets after. So after a while, for the motion, it turns on the light. So very simple, easy to install, very small lights, but very powerful. Hope you guys enjoy the video.